boiling pretty much, and we're gonna put the first bag of Cheeto in there. Might just do one and soak. And I do see it already turning yellow, obviously. But I do see the Cheetos getting smaller. So basically we're doing mac and cheese with Cheetos. Look, that smells good. I think we definitely do need to use another bag. They use 3 bags, so this is just testing, see what's happening. I'm gonna put in the second one. I have one, right? Ooh, got the second bag in there. And oh god. Oh my god, I hope this tastes good.
Yummy, yummy.
We're making basically washing potato chips. Jesus Christ. I don't know if this is gonna be good.
If not, then you just fed us three chips. 3 huge bags of chips.
Oh my god. It does smell really good.
It does.
At least for that part. But it melts very quickly actually, which is good. So this is supposed to really thicken and make the macaronis. I don't know. Again, I don't know.
It looks good.
It does.
I thought it wouldn't work.
A little bit. Yeah, me neither. You know, because you see all these hacks online and you're like, okay, yeah, that's not happening. Some of them we've even tried, and yeah, that lady who put the sprinkles in the water and the pressure machine and they turned into really huge sprinkles.
That never works.
No,
that's
all lies.
That's all for views.
Wow, but look, you see, it is becoming very nice and thick. So I think we can. Oh, I burned myself. I think we can just do 2 bags. I think 3 bags is like way too much.
I think you should keep
Let's get the macaronis in there.
Yeah.
And that's starting to look really good, actually.
Totally. Looks really good.
Oh, wow. The sauce is actually very thick. I don't know if I should add a little more water because it's very, very thick. I am going to add a little bit of water just because I added the macaronis in there. In the recipe online, they did not really say how much water or anything, but
They gave you no measurements?
no measurements, so that's why I didn't know if this was actually going to work or not. But let's keep it going, right?
Yeah.
It's nice and thick, I'll tell you that much. I'm trying to taste it.
Shouldn't you?
Unless, you know, we might have a heart attack because of all the potato chips we're eating in here.
Shouldn't you make the macaroni and cheese first?
That's what I thought, but she did this, so I hope I'm not, hope I didn't do wrong. I thought of doing the macaroni separate, but she did this, and I said, okay, well. She says that this way it tastes better. I don't know. I truly don't know, but we'll find out. A little more water.
Yeah, we don't want it dry.
I'm stirring so it doesn't stick. We don't want it burnt. But this is basically hope I didn't waste 2 bags of Cheetos.
That would have been really bad.
They're not cheap.
And I asked you to eat them. I wanted them.
Yeah. Alright. The sauce actually becomes way thicker than I didn't think it was going to be this thick. Wow.
It looks like regular mac and cheese with weird macaroni.
Let's taste the sauce, huh?
Mm.
You guys got it? I don't know. I think next time I would do the macaroni separate. I don't know yet because I haven't tasted it yet, but let's see. At least the sauce, right? Tastes good. It needs a little salt. Tastes like cheese puffs. It's creamy.
Like cheese puffs, but
Basically eating cheese puffs. That's exactly what it tastes like.
a heart attack.
Would I do this again?
No.
I don't know yet.
Absolutely
I
not.
don't know yet. I have to taste those macaronis.
I would give it a 5 out of 10. I do not like that sauce.
Okay, so our macaronis are done. We're gonna drain them. And it's so creamy.
So
I
creamy.
actually tasted it and it tastes pretty good. However, I suggest to do the macaroni separate because look what happens. Not good. I tasted it. It tastes actually pretty good. I added a little bit of salt. And it's done. It actually works. Would I do this again? I don't think so. I don't think it's very healthy.
It's not healthy for you at
But
all.
that's what we're having a little bit, each of us, for dinner tonight. I hope you liked my video. Please like and share and subscribe if you want to see more. Have a good one. And this is the final product. How does it taste? How does it taste?
Tastes good.
Tastes good.
Hard.
It's a little harder. What I have to do next time is make the macaroni separate. That's what I thought to do, but because in the video they had it together, so I was like, let me just try it how they did it. And next time I'll do it if I decide to do it. Again, this is good, but not very healthy.